Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to explore how to enable page preloading in Dolphin Browser on your mobile device. This feature can make your browsing experience faster and smoother. First, open the Dolphin Browser on your mobile device. Next, look at the bottom of the screen and click on the Dolphin icon. Then, in the menu that appears, find and click on the Settings icon. After that, click on Advanced Settings to see more detailed options. Next, scroll down again until you find the More option. Tap on it to open additional advanced preferences. Then find the Page, Preloading option and tap on it. Finally, choose Always to enable the browser to preload pages whenever possible. This setting will help your browsing feel faster, as pages will start loading before you even click on them. Enabling page preloading can improve the efficiency of your browsing and make accessing websites quicker and more seamless. If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with others.